This is two-station bell sanding that can glide the bottom hour angle and size. With 3-section transform multiplier can complete 2 different processes of sanding and automatic loading and unloading of workpieces. The machine adopts full bus control system and sanding process software independently, developed by professional company. The sanding mechanism and manipulator are equipped with servo motors with obsolete encoders, which are simple to operate and stable in performance. The process formula can be saved and inverted to facilitate the replacement of different products, saving secondary debugging time and achieving large-scale automated sanding production operations.